Good afternoon, dear students. So, welcome to maths classes. So, today classes. So, I will teach that in a class that fifth standard. That is chapter 3rd. Chapter 3rd. Already I will explain that operation of whole number. Operation of whole number. Yes, students. So, you open the page number 34. Exercise 3rd week. So, chapter. This chapter 3rd. Student chapter 3rd operation of whole number. But today's I will explain that exercise. So exercise means 3rd week. 3rd week. But today's class means I will explain that word problem. So students, so in last classes, third A is completed. In this exercise, third A is completed for in last classes. Means in previous classes. So today classes means I will explain that the exercise 3rd B. Students, so you open the page number, that is a 34. So 34 first one means. So I will write in post one question that word problem. A taxon milk means that produce. So that is first year means especially in 1 crore 15 lakh 26,725 meters cloth is last year, and second year means next so 1 crore 39 lakh 8,980 meters of the cloth in this year. Students, first I will writing for that question. Afterwards I will explain that. So first a textile will produce 1 crore 15 lakh 26 26,725 meters of cloth last year. Students, so last year that one produce of the one will means in last year how much the produce of the cloth meters, so that is a 1 crore. Okay, next last year and so that is a 1 crore 39 lakh 8,980 students. So meters of cloth this year. Students, just be carefully how to you read and repeat it 3 or 4 times the question, because that first you have to understand the question means definitely you solve this problem. So cloth this year, find the length of cloth produced in 2 years. In 2 years. Also find how much more cloth was produced this year? Students, just to carefully this question. So here what? So a textile mill produced. So this is in a, so that last year. So last year means how much cloth is produced for that year? So 1 crore 15,26,725. Okay. So next question, just listen. And so 1 crore 39 lakh 8,980 meters cloth is so cloth of this year. This year means so last year. This year means that is the present. You have to consider that present. In this year means in last year is this, but in present. This year, so this totally produce of the cloth is okay. So question 1, 2 question you will ask. Find the length of cloth produced. Yes, first this one question. Find the length of produced in 2 years. Especially in first year means in last year and present year. So how much total produce of the cloth? So first you have to write the solution, students. So solution first means the cloth produced. Students, cloth produced. Yes, cloth produced in first year. Yes, in first year. Students, in first year means how much cloth is produced? Yes, 1 crore 15 lakh 26,725 meter. Yes, so the cloth produced in second year. In second year. Second year means that is the produce of total cloth. So 1 crore 39 lakh 8,980 meter cloth. So question was, students, so first question. So what the length of the cloth produced in 2 years? In 2 years also. So 2 years means yes, that is 2 years. How much? What the meaning of this question means? How much total produce of 2 years means? So you should plus means you have the addition. Okay. So total, yes, the total of cloth. Total of cloth produced in 2 years. That first we have to add. We have to write the answer. 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5, 8 plus 2 10. So you have to write the carry. Left side you have to write carry. Okay, 9 plus 7 plus plus 1 carry. That is the 17 students. So you have to write here. So 8 plus is a 14, 14 plus 1 carry, that is a 15. So next, so that is 10,000 places. So you have to add the 10,000 to 2 plus 3. 2 plus 1 is a 3, 3 plus 0 means that is the total is 3. Okay. 5 plus 9 plus 5, that is a 14. So 14 means so you have to count 3 plus 4, 4 plus 1, that is the total 5. So yes, student, 1 plus 1 is a 2. How much cloth is produced for in total 2 years? That is the 2 lakh. Before 2 crore. Before that, 35,740 is. That is the produce of the in total 2 years cloth. But students, so next question how to carefully just you observe that. So what? Find the next question. What here? Just you observe here. Find the how much more cloth was produced this year. So just to compare, students, in the last year and this present year. So which year have to compare highest means in that which year have to highest produce of the cloth. So which year? Okay, which year means how much is produced for that in that year. Okay, so we have to should minus. So You know, students, just you compare which number have to more means you have to write the first. So yes, that is year 1 crore 39 lakh, but year 1 crore 15 lakh. So now to minus next. The extra cost of the cloth is produced in this year. Next, you have to show minus 1 crore 39 lakh 8,980 minus which year are to more compare which year is the highest produce of the cloth. The students should minus inside. So 1390898. Yes. So now 150 26,725 should minus students. So here have to you take the side carry, that is 0 minus 5 is not possible. This is a 5. Here have to left is 7. So we have to 5. Here is 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. So 0 minus 2 is not possible. You take the side carry, that is a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 0. Yes, students. So that you comparing, but you compare the question which year is more means that is that compare the last year and in present year. So present year is more comparing because you know year 1 crore, but year 39 lakh, year 15 lakh. 15 lakh, but 39 lakh is a more means in present year is a more produce of the cloth, but how much more means that is a 23 lakh 82,255 is the more produce of the cloth. Okay, students, understood this? So how much more of the cloth is produced means that is so 23 lakh 82,255 meter is produced of the how much more of the cloth was produced in this year means in this year that is the total produce of the cloth means 23 lakh 82,255 more of the cloth is in this year. Okay, students, understood this? So first you have to write first in more problems. First you have to read a question. Afterward you solve it first. So you first write the sentence afterwards. So in this year, question was asked for year. So find out how much cloth is more produced means. So comparing the present year is more of the cloth. Okay, students. So next question. Yes. So completed. In the second question, very easy. So second question means more easy. So that is students. So just you observe in exercise 3, we already have yes. So second one question. In second question means how much more is 70 lakh? Yes. So 70 lakh than 48 lakh 45,760. Yes, students, you compare that both. So 70 lakh is that is more. So more means just you have to do the subtraction. Second one question is very easy. So you have to solve. This is I will give the second one is today's I will give that homework, students, because Very easy how to do the subtraction of the second one. Okay. Now I will explain in that third main students. Third main means in third question. So third question means to take students to take sorry to take not to make 8 crores. The student to 8 crores. What number should, yes, that should be added, yes, should be added to the sum, to the sum of 95,26,532 and 6 crore 96 lakh 45,082. Students, how to observe it very carefully, because you know the first one question already I will explain, that second one I will give the homework. So now I will explain in third one. So students, so question what, the third question. So to make 8 crores, yes. So what number? Yes, just okay, students. What number should be? Yes. What number should be that added? So added to the sum. To the sum, especially given these two numbers. First you have the two numbers. Yes. So first you have write the solution. So what first you had the first numbers. So afterwards you write 8 crores, you can see 8 crores. Yes. So first that what? So first you have to write 6 lakh 96 no 6 crore 96 lakh 45,082. Okay. Next. So 9 lakh 95 lakh 26,532. So first we have added. Already asked what should be added the sum. What should be added the sum means first we have the addition. Okay. 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 plus 3 is 11. So you write the carry. So 100 plus 6 means given already I written the carry. 1 carry plus carry means 1. So 5. That is the total is 6. So 5 plus 6 is that is 11. So next you have to write the carry. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 that is what student? 7. Okay. 6 plus 5 is that is 11. So next 9 plus 9 is 18. 119. So next you have to write the carries. 6 plus 1, 7. So yes students, what here asked the question, what number should be added the sum of 95 lakh 26,502 and 6 crore 96 lakh 45,082. The total number is 7 crore 91 lakh 71,614. Yes students, understood? So next, to make 8 crores. So what here first question, to make 8 crores, first you have to do the subtraction. Okay. So now you do subtraction. 8 crore means yes students, how many zeros of the crore So total means how many crores in 8 crore? Lakh means 5. 1 lakh is how many zeros? That is 5 zeros. So 8 crore means you have to write 70. Yes. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Yes. How many zeros were in crores? That is 7 zeros. Don't forget students, 7 zeros. Okay. Now you have to do the subtract. 8 crore. Next steps you have to write 8 crore. So 7 crore 91 lakh 71,614 to do the minus. Next step students. Okay. So 0 minus 4 is that is not possible. So you take the side, but because you know to here to 10 lakh versus given the zeros means you take the side for here 0. Yeah, you take the side 10 here what here left 7 left. So you have to inside in 10. So again you take the side carry means here 9 left here 10. So again you take the side carry means here left here 10, but here left the 9. So now next given means here have to 9. Next you given the carry means here left the 9. Students, so next have to same as well as method. So next here 10, but here means that is the 10. Yes, because you know that right side is not given the number. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 6 means that is 3. 9 minus 1 is 8. So 9 minus 7, subtract is a 2 answer. So 9 minus 1, you know already 8. So 9 minus 9 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. Students, what is the answer? 82,000. No, 8 lakh 48,386. That is the answer. Okay. The students understood this in this third B. So next I will explain that. So next question is next question. Now I will fourth one I will give the homework, very easy in fourth one. So because you know that subtract the sum. Subtract the sum. First you have to subtract the sum means first you two numbers, especially in three numbers, 7,95,431. That one number. In next one, that 1,54,795. In next, again one have to. So 25,69,541. These three numbers first you should add, students. Given the from means that is 75 lakh you should minus, because you know that is the second one and second question and fourth question, that is as well as that is both same method. So first you have three numbers add, so afterwards we use the subtracted. Okay students, so now I will explain in that is the fifth question. Okay. Students, so fifth question, can you observe here? So fifth question, students. So fifth question, very easy. Just you, I will reading first. So the income of person. So one person's, especially that is, we have considered in income or year or month. But better you have to consider for 1 year then, because you know they are not mentioned here month or year. So here fifth question, the income. Yes, the income of a person is 50,780. Yes, E spent. So E spends. The students E spends first is spends for the 10,500. Why? Because he spent for is spent that amount for house of rent. No, house of rent. So first is spent total amount means that is a 10,500, but that is the reason means so house rent. Okay. Next, again is spent for that amount. Next, 1,575 one person. That is not mentioned for name. So just on education. So you know that already. So next spend the reason is education. So that is spend total amount 1,575. Okay, students. So next of is child 5,775 on Ramesh. Find is remaining income. Find remaining income. Students, so can you observe here? So very carefully just read the question. So the income of person. So one person total income is this this students. That is the total means 50,780. But he spent how many reasons first house rent is spent. Next means education purposes is spent. Next means last one. That is the next three reasons. Okay. Now first you have to write the sentence. So, total income, yes, students. So, first is the total income of person. Total income of person. That is the first reason. No, the total income of a person is that is 50,780. Okay. Next reason. Yes, is spent on. He spends he spends on house rent. So next reason, what is the total? That is house rent means 10,500. Okay. You know, students, this is a symbol of rupees. Okay. So next on education. What that? 1,575. Next on education. Provision. Okay, provisions that the total amount means 5,775. But the total spend amount. First you have add up, but the total amount, the total income of in that person is a total income in 1 year or month. That is 3,780. But he spent first house rent, afterwards education, afterwards privation. So what is the total spend amount? First you have the total adding total. So for first point means that is a 10. So 0 plus 7, 7 in 14 is in 15. So next is 5, 5, 10, 10 plus 7, 70, that is 18. So next 1,000 places, 1, 1, 5, here 5, 1. So, okay, that 5 plus 1, 6, 6, 1, 7. Yes, students. The total amount is spent at 70,850. Yes, is a total spend of that rent, education. That next. Okay, so next question. The remaining in income. lost means we have like remaining. Remaining income is equal to, yes, that remaining is equal to the total income what is the total income? You already I have done total income minus total spend amount. Total spend amount. Okay, that is the total income you know, that is a 50,780 minus the total spend amount 17,000. Here you know 17,850. Yes, now to do the subtraction. We should minus 50,000 50,780 minus 17,850. You should minus here 0. 0 minus 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. So 7 minus 8 is not possible. You take the side 0 carry. So this is 17. 17 minus 8 is, so that is 9. So 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now what is the remaining of the income is 32,930. Yes, 32,930 amount is left of the interest. Okay, students, understood this, sir? So first, first what is I wrote first return the total amount. Afterwards is the how much reason of the spend of the amount. So education, next is the finally first addition afterwards. So in total income, so spend amount. So how the next step means I will subtraction. I will follow the next steps. That is the subtraction. What is the remaining of the total amount is 32,930. Okay, students. So today classes is enough. So tomorrow I will explain this exercise and continue. So you don't forget, students. This exercise means in second and fourth one questions I will give the homework. So next 6 and 7 I will explain in next classes. So thank you, students.